Are you a small business owner and you want to create a logo and you are worried about expensing a lot of money on graphic designing? So you don't have to expend a lot of money, your hard-earned money. You can save that and you can create a logo by using this free tool. So what is the name of this free tool and how you can create a professional logo by using this free tool? And in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily create a logo. So the very first process is to search Gravity Right. Now click on the very first link. Now go to dashboard. You can see the option of image. So click on that. Now click on ideas for logo. Now you have to mention your brand name. Then you have to write a description, if any kind of description you have. So this AI will generate a lot of prompts through which you can actually create a logo. So copy the whole text from here. Now open a new tab, that is Ideogram.ai. After opening this, you can see the very first option is to fill the description or fill the prompt. So we have just copied that prompt and now we have to paste it. Then select the category you want to select and now select on submit. So once it is done, you can see many stunning logos. I know there is a problem with text and that AI cannot resolve this right now because AI is not that advanced. So you can download this logo from here and you can go back to any other software or application. Through there you can actually change the name of the logo or of your brand. So this was the video and I hope you really liked the video. I hope this video was informational to you. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel if you are new in this channel. And if you have already subscribed, please watch our old videos as well.